In technical drawings, all dimensions are usually shown, but when modeling in CATIA, not all of them are needed. At least one is usually extra. When using the Profile tool, enable the Tangent Arc switch to continue drawing connected arcs. Here, make sure the arc reaches exactly 90 degrees. SmartPick will help you. Here too, pay close attention to using SmartPick correctly. It's key to creating accurate constraints and drawing your shape properly. Not every dimension from the drawing is needed in your sketch. Adding even one extra dimension can cause the sketch to become over-constrained. As we add dimensions, watch out for extras. This extra dimension makes the sketch over-constrained. To fix it, simply delete it or turn it into a reference dimension. If you're wondering why this extra dimension makes the sketch over-constrained, it's because that top overall dimension is just the sum of the smaller ones below. Adding it again creates a duplicate and causes conflicts. Like the video? Hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more CATIA tips.